Hi, and welcome to the first of a series of videos that I'm going to be doing for my course at DePaul University, The Architecture of Real-Time Systems. I hope no one watches this. Okay, let's get started. So I've got this diagram here that I built using ReSharper. I've got a couple other diagrams as well. This is the regular class diagram that you can generate with any version of Visual Studio. And it'll show you the associations and sort of aggregations and inheritance and construction, that sort of thing. Well, it doesn't really show construction so much. That's one of the reasons I like this guy over here a bit better. Is that we clearly see that this alien builder is clearly building the alien sprites. It's public constructor right there. It keeps flashing. Yeah, there we go. And then we can see these inheritances pretty easily. Additionally, we can get these aggregations in here so that it can show what is sort of controlling who, and even show usage. Seems to be okay. There we go. So we can see which classes use which, and I'm not entirely certain why this would be useful at this juncture. I haven't played with it too much. The option to see what is returning, what's dependent on what class to return other values. So we can see that all of this stuff's going on in the code here. All of these relationships are built. These This is a code map that can be built with Visual Studio Professional. No, I'm sorry, it can't be built with Professional. It can only be built with Enterprise. Most of the architecture features are actually disabled in Professional. But it goes a bit farther than um, the ReSharper tool, and allows for you to expand these classes to show where exactly these relationships are. It gets a bit messy and it's a little bit slower because of it going a bit deeper, but it does still allow you to go directly to options. One of the nice things about the ReSharper version, which is free, you can get a free subscription to it while you're while you're a student. And I also have a license that I use at work. Is that it does make it very easy to start refactoring things when you're unhappy, when you can see in the diagram that there are issues or easy ways to refactor um, relationships. So all that said, my homework assignment meets the bare minimum. I've got 15 sprites. They're going all over the screen, and none of that stuff is really linked up with what I've done here. I think I did, yeah, I did declare a variable. Actually, it's not even going to matter if I delete that, so I'll go ahead and do it. And we're going to switch to release, and we'll see how this looks. Yep, overwrite. Yep, looks like nonsense. So, as you can see, this guy's spinning. This guy is stationary. This guy's just pulsating. I think he's spinning. I'm not sure. It might be tilting back and forth, or that could just be an illusion. Every time the Space Invaders logo hits that side, these four guys move back every time this green guy over here hits this side, they reverse directions. That also triggers some actions on some of these other goofballs. So this is currently my project. The Space Invaders logo changes colors. One of these guys disappeared, I guess, but I'm gonna start this over real quick. And we'll be able to see that, hopefully we'll be able to see, yeah, this guy right here changes his texture, gets swapped out. And that should be all I needed to do for this assignment. I'm not particularly pleased with the fact that I didn't use any of the code that I put together, and it's going to be a lot of work to get it. Oh, he just keeps going down and drops off. Okay, working, but I am pretty excited about doing that now that I've got a bit more free time. So, yeah, that's my video. I hope that you didn't watch it